Sal, we've found ourselves in need of some concrete. Any chance you can lend us your recipe?
Ha! The only way you're getting my recipe is if you open my brain and siphon the information out.
Unfortunately we don't have a bone saw. There must be another way.
Nope. Unless you're a part of this crew, there's no way you're getting my concrete recipe.
Okay, then I'd like a job.
The positions are all filled.
Why don't you fire that guy and hire me? The quality of my mustache alone should prove I'm twice the worker he is.
Frank and Hank are my best workers. Unless they violate the rules, you're out of luck.
Well, you heard the man, Liam. Let's break some rules.
According to this handbook, leaving early and sleeping on the job are zero-tolerance offenses. You know what that means?
Yes, I wouldn't last a second at this job.
If we can find a way to make them violate either of those rules, we'll be fired instantly.
Being a bad influence is my specialty. That recipe is as good as mine. You look tired. Are you sure you don't want a nap?
Sleeping on the job is a zero-tolerance offense.
But all that mixing, you must be exhausted.
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, Liam, check peer pressure off the list. We need to get aggressive with this guy. The fumes are too strong. I can't get anywhere near it. Lord, a halitosis flower. No wonder that guy's wearing a mask. Hey, I'm trying to get a job on the crew. Any tips?
Just dig between the flagged pegs.
Wow, did you have to go to school for that?
Hey, only authorized crew are allowed between the flagged pegs.
This one is loose. Hey, who taught you how to dig? You're clearly missing a spot.
Yikes! I don't know how I missed that.
Hey, I'm trying to get a job on the crew.
Just dig between the...
Wow. The head popped right off this flower. Ooh, an ice cream cactus. This quest could be epic. We should save this in case we get hungry later.
Hi, how are you, little fella?
Horrible! I was in the middle of building my cocoon when the wind from those windmill weeds blew it all apart. Now my branch is destroyed. Any chance you could recover the twig pieces and rebuild the branch?
Oh, I'll try my best.
Now my branch is You did it! Thanks so much.
wake up. No sleeping on the job. Frank, wake up! That's it, you're fired!
You know, it's been my boyhood dream to be a concrete mixer.
All right, you're hired. Here's my recipe. Now get mixing.
Okay, I just need to run home for a minute and get on my work clothes.
Forget it. You ain't leaving with my recipe. It's a family secret. It stays here. If you so much as step a foot off this site with it, I'll feed you to the hogs.
Liam, we may have a problem.
I'll do it, Remus. Slip me the recipe. I'll gather the ingredients and get it back before he ever notices.
Nice work, Liam.